Okay.
Okay.
So today I'm not even looking at the system or anything else. Um,
Mm-hmm.
what I want to break down, I want everyone to
Mm-hmm.
understand the basics, the
Yes.
complete basics. It's not something which is going to be complicated. How much?
Yes.
What's it there? Okay. Okay, it's not something which is supposed to be complicated when it comes to forex trading. A lot of people, this is why they get it wrong. You end up finding yourself trading wrong things. So there are things which you need to know before you start trading. So these are
Mm-hmm.
going to be the basics, the basic things which you need to know as a forex trader when you're
Mm-hmm.
beginning to trade. So now these are the things which I want to break down.
Okay. Yes.
A lot of people they like asking which pair should
Mm-hmm.
I trade? They see other people trading let's say boom and crash, and they go like, oh, they're seeing people making profits. They also want to start making profits. They want to they want to copy what someone else
Mm-hmm.
is doing. So for me, I don't want my students to be people who are going to
Yes.
copy what I do. I want someone to know and understand what they're doing. So this is why I have a blank chart right here. So this chart is going to be a guide.
Okay. Yes.
Yes. So there's
Okay. Yeah.
nothing there. Let me even remove the chain line. So indicator is moving average. Let me just remove the moving average. All right. So moving average, it's a bear
Yeah.
chart. The only thing we have is the market watch here, which
Yes.
shows
Yes.
which shows us the assets. So these are the symbols, these are the assets.
Yes. Yes.
Yeah. So now we get started, huh? There's one trade. I was
Yes.
just
Yes.
I was just trying. Okay, here's how you start. The first thing as a trader, you need to get your tools right. You need to get everything right. What do I
Mm-hmm.
mean by that? What I mean by that is
Okay.
you need to set up your MT5 the way it's supposed to be set up.
Okay.
Your MT5 needs
All
to be
right.
set up the way it's supposed to be set up. So
Mm-hmm.
by that, what I mean is you need to have everything set up, starting with the Fibonacci, the trend line, everything, all the assets which are here, everything. You get your trend line. If you need your trend line, yeah, this is the trend line, which shows you the direction of the market,
Okay.
how the market
Okay.
moves, bounces, and everything.
Mm-hmm.
Um, you need to add
Mm-hmm.
everything which you need, which you're going to be using. So the moment you download the MT5, you need to set it up in a way that um, it will be easy for you to use. Understand?
Okay. Okay. Yes. Yes.
Your Fibonacci needs to be there. You set it up the way you need to set it up. You just need everything, all the tools you need. The rectangle, if you're going to be using the rectangle. So you start by, let me start with the basics. Where first,
Mm-hmm.
first things first, this is going to apply to
Yes.
everybody. It's going to apply to everybody. You start by
Okay.
going to the properties. So on the properties, in most cases, you find that the market is like this. You, you don't see much. Okay, I think I've
Mm-hmm.
just I've
Mm-hmm.
just removed everything there, show tick, and also show the yeah the bid price. Yeah. So mostly you see something like this, huh? I don't know if you're able to see
Mm-hmm.
it fully, completely, but yeah, you see something like this. Let me just try and zoom in. Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
Let me also
Yes.
clear.
Yes.
Let me also clear these things, objects which are here, so that you'll be able to see. So we're starting with the basics now. Like I said, you need to set up everything right. You start with something like this. You have your chart, you have everything like this. So first
Yes.
thing you go to properties.
Mm-hmm.
Properties, here I like putting this, then I like changing the background, put it black, then I put the foreground white. So it becomes something like this.
Okay.
So now you
All right.
see, there's this line which is here, right? This line
Mm-hmm.
is what line is this? What line did I put which shows here? This is a bid price line. So most people, when you jump into the market, let me see. Oh, I've removed something else here. What else have I removed here? Show us price. What have I removed? How come I'm not able to trade? Oh yeah, okay. See it. Okay. So I'm going to give you an example here. What time
Mm-hmm.
frame? Well, on the 1 minute time frame, okay, 1 minute, this is a small lot size like that. So the market is actually moving up. But anyways, I can just do a buy. So you see, where they buy, where I've bought from.
Mm-hmm.
This is just a small account. I'm just messing around with this account. So
Okay. Yeah.
where I'm buying from here, if you see, this is where the
Mm-hmm.
ask price is supposed to be. Exactly at this point. So most people, you find you jump into the market, then there's that spread. Then you get surprised, be like, what's happening? The first the first
Mm-hmm.
entry you
Yeah.
take, bah, you're in. You find that you're in a negative, maybe $2, negative, I don't know. You find yourself in a
Yeah.
huge negative, and you start questioning yourself, be like,
Yeah. Yeah.
but what's going on? What's happening?
Mm-hmm.
So most people miss this. So this is why I say you need to you need to first sort out your empty file. So what I mean is you need to add everything which is a you show the ask price so that you know exactly where the market is. And you also put the
Okay.
last price line. So at least it can help you out to see where the market is at. So when you do that, you see
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
the red line here, from where I took my trade from, where I took the buy from, this is where the
Mm-hmm.
line was. The line was this one. So this one was showing me the ask price. So now this is where now people mess it up, in most cases. You see, this is gold. Gold has a small spread. At this point, the spread is very tight because this is 1 minute. It's very tight and it's very good. So if we check
Okay.
out, if we
Okay.
check out, if we check out silver, we go to silver right now. You find that silver, you
Mm.
see, this is a bid price. The ask price, if you check where the ask price is, you can't even see it on the 1 minute. You go to the 5 minutes, you see, you can only see it in
Mm.
the 5 minutes. So if you go to the 30 minutes, this is where you see it. Let me just zoom out a bit because the market is actually on top. You see, this gap between these two lines, that's the
Yes. Yes.
amount which you're going to find yourself in a negative. So the first trade you're going to take, you're going to find yourself as at this point, you're going to find yourself in a negative
Mm-hmm.
$2. So
Mm.
yeah, that's how it is. So you need to be careful when you're looking at the markets. You need to be careful.
Yeah.
Because
Mm-hmm.
I found myself here. I was just trying. I was like, let me see this the same broker. Let me just check. I just pressed the button like I just trying to check. Just trying to check. Yo, the spread was too high. So when I added that, that's when I found out that this is how big the gap is. For for
Mm-hmm.
for
Mm.
for gold, this is silver. So for gold, you can see this is 30 minutes. You see how tight it is. It's very, very tight.
Mm.
It's a very tight
Yeah.
spread. You
Yeah.
see, they're just together
Mm-hmm.
like that. So this is where now, if you're a scalper, it's very easy for you to scalp in this
Okay.
manner. It's
Okay.
very easy for you to
Mm-hmm.
to make profits when the spread is tight like this. When there's a huge gap, anything can happen. Especially when there's a news event or anything like that, it will mess up your
Mm.
account. Just a tiny movement, you find yourself in a positive, winning trade, but you're still in the negative. The market has gone in your profit, but you find yourself in the negative because of the bid price.
That's great. Yeah.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
So this one, you're able to trade
Mm.
it in 1 minute. you're able to trade it in 1 minute. When it
Mm-hmm.
goes back, because I believe this one is still pushing price going all the way up like that. It's still
Yeah.
going all the way up. Yeah, this one is still going all the way up, just bouncing, just retracing a bit. So to
Mm-hmm.
continue
Mm.
pushing price all the way up, as you can see, it's just bouncing off here.
Yeah,
You
yeah, on the
see,
trend line.
yeah, there's an area of interest at this point here. There's a reverse point I can see where the retest happened from. And afterwards, I'm sure it's
Mm.
heading towards this point right here.
Okay. Yeah.
Let me just add the line because I'm just setting up everything. So this is a point of interest.
Mm.
Let me just put two lines here and this one here, somewhere here. So this is
Mm.
the area of interest where the market is likely to return from at this point right here. Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah.
So there's another area of interest where the market is playing from, it's ranging from. If you can check here, there's an area of interest here.
Yes.
So
Yes.
it has it came back to retest this point here. If you just take a look here, this point, you see, that's where it's playing from.
Mm-hmm.
So it's
Yes.
still
Yes.
pushing
Yes.
price coming to this point here. So yeah,
Mm-hmm.
so you need to be careful. So one thing as a trader, one thing I'm just going to tell you is for you to identify which market you're going to trade on. Go for the markets with the lowest spreads. So today,
Mm.
I wanted to just have my own personal Zoom session. Not really Zoom session, but I just wanted to check out the assets which are here, the assets which I can trade on. So yeah, that's why I'm here. I haven't even added my system or anything. This is I just installed the MT5. It's fairly, how can I put this? It's it's new. Like there's nothing in here. I have nothing installed. So
Mm.
I'm just getting started as well. This new PC. So yeah. So now let's browse through some assets here. So we
Okay.
have we
Yeah.
have we have gold. The spread is tight like that. You can see in the 1 minute. We have this one. This one you've seen now. This you've seen the gap
Ah.
between. See the gap between. It's too much.
Yeah.
So
Mm-hmm.
this one. How can I hide? Can I hide this one? No. Seems like I can't hide. Then let's see this one. This one you've seen that there's a huge gap there as well. It's too much.
Mm-hmm.
This is platinum, so let's see if I'll be able to hide. What's going on? Oh, this one I'm able to hide. Let me see what this one. This one also the spread is high. Oh, I see. Let me close this. Okay. So that we only have one chart. Okay. Okay. So this one the spread is high as well.
Mm-hmm.
So I'm just checking. So what I would tell you to do is this. I know
Mm-hmm.
I can't try necessarily test at the moment. So you get yourself your notebook, and where did I put my notebook? Get yourself your notebook, get yourself your pen.
Okay.
It's very important that you note down everything you do. You journal everything. It's very important. So as I'm checking here, I'll know my assets. I know what I need to trade and what I shouldn't trade. The certificates and stuff. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So so now. So me, I'm getting started now. Like this is the whole essence of this Zoom session. So I'll write my broker's name here, go trade.
Okay.
So assets to trade. The first
Okay.
one,
Okay.
the first one is gold. How is it moving? Still dancing around there. So this is gold. Put it as gold.
Okay.
Open bracket X AU USD. This one is good. Spread is good. I'll monitor this one.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Okay. So continue. This one, nope. This one, I hide it. Yeah. This one also, nope. This one seems to be static. The movement, I don't like the market structure of this one. This is 1 minute. Let me see. There's some impulse moves, some retracements and stuff. The market can drop. I'm sure it's
Mm.
being pushed by news events and stuff. And also, market structure is very important, especially as I mentioned, the trading robot. I need
Mm.
a good market structure where if it starts trading, I don't need something like this. You see, this is very
Okay.
bad.
Okay. Yeah.
This is very bad for the robot. No, no robot can
Mm.
survive this. The spikes like this, very bad.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, because for it to close a trade, to close a good trade, if you find a spike like this, yeah, it can actually sell when there's a spike, boom, it open for you the trade. But when the market
I see.
reverses back again, that's where the problem comes in. So this is why mostly I don't like trading these assets because this is why
Okay.
people start saying, "No, are you a trader, a gambler?" Because you see,
Yeah.
a lot of people, how they trade is they wait for that impulse move. They know there are times where the market will open according to the session. You have those impulse
Okay.
moves. Some of them they wait
Yes.
for maybe 14. It depends with the time. There's a time where the market will move rapidly. Then they'll cash that trade.
Hmm.
They'll make quick money. They're out. Then they say, "No, I'm a trader," and stuff like that. You understand?
Yes. Yes. Yes.
Yeah, so those are just in to make the money and stuff, not to understand the system. They just know there's a time like this and they go in and out. Yeah. So
Mm.
so this is Great British Pound. This one I don't like it. Okay, this one the structure seems to be at least stable. I can see there's some range. After some range, there's an impulse move.
Mm.
Yeah. Then the spread is yeah, the spread can actually change for these major assets, major pairs. Let me see, like this one
Okay.
seems to be okay. Bit, yeah. This one is manageable. Let me see how far it is. Ah, no. I need something tight like this.
Okay.
Yeah, I need
All
something
right.
very tight like this. You see how tight this one is? Just within one candle,
Mm-hmm. 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 Mm.
within the current candle. That's how tight
All
I need
right.
it.
All right. All right.
Yeah. So let's look for things which are tight like that. A bit faster here, just using the delete button. Get touch. Just be a bit faster here. This one, nope. You see, sometimes you need to ask yourself,
Mm-hmm.
why do people trade gold? Why do people trade NAS? It's because of the spread.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh. All right. All right. All right.
They don't want to be stressed. Imagine, you see, if you enter a trade, you be in the right position. Let's
Ish.
say right now the market is selling, huh? You jump in for a sale.
Mm-hmm.
It will be reversing, you find yourself in a negative. It will be reversing in a negative like that. It will come back to your position, but it will even go in the positive side, but you'll be still in the negative to cover up the open spread. So
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
and you see how the market how stupid the market is sometimes. You see this range.
Yeah.
Within this
Mm-hmm.
range, let's say you jump in for let's say here, you jump in for a sale here, or
Yes. Yes.
you get confused. You'll be like, okay, the market has reached it has been retesting this zone. Then it has gone all the way up.
Mm-hmm.
Let me just wait for it to come back here. Once it's here, I'll take my buy. It will go all the way up. I know
Yeah.
some people think like that because when they just know, support and resistance, they see the market retesting a support level here, they'll be like, it will go all the way back. Now imagine you take a buy, then the market pushes price,
Mm-hmm.
touches the trend line, then you're waiting for the break above. They'll be like, it has been
Yes.
retesting this zone, so there's a high chance of it doing what? Coming back and retesting and breaking the upper trend line. In
Yes.
the actual sense, you see what
Yes.
happened? It breaks below. It breaks that and starts making the lower lows like that. And it goes all the way down
Mm-hmm.
and starts consolidating at this point. Now imagine you take a buy. Now in that buy, you haven't seen any profits. You see, this is where the psychology comes in.
Yeah.
You haven't seen any
Yeah.
profits, huh?
Mm-hmm.
But you are very positive to
Mm-hmm.
say it needs to break up. In your mind, you've already put up a scenario to say the market needs to go up. So you stick to that.
Mm-hmm.
No, it has been bouncing off that same point. It will go up. It will go up. Then you find yourself in a negative, no profits. Maybe you see maybe a small profit, a small change. From a
Mm-hmm.
negative of $2, you start seeing those maybe like you become positive to say, okay, now I'll make profits and stuff. Because your entry will be based off this one, the red line. Then
Okay.
the green one, this one is for the buy. So if you buy, it will buy on the red one. Then this one, when it crosses above the red one, so which means you buy, you buy here. Let me just change the color. Let me put it to be green,
Yeah.
lime. So meaning you buy from here. You have to wait for this blue line to cross above here. That's when you'll be able to see profits. You see, when this so at this point
Mm-hmm.
you'll be still in the negative. Huh? The red one has already
Mm-hmm.
gone up, but you're still in the negative. Not until this green one goes above here. This is a bid price. When it goes above the point here, this green line, that's when you now start seeing profits. So the way it is now, you still be in a negative. Anyways, I'll also demonstrate on a demo account. So this is it. This is what's happening here. Let me see. Get British Pound USD. Okay, still dancing around. Still, the spread is something else. This one is worse. But it's not every time the spreads
Okay.
are bad. Because when it comes to currencies, there are sometimes when spreads become very tight.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
So you just choose the one which works for you. But for me, gold would do for now because I don't need to be all over the place. I'll choose one asset. That one asset, if it's going to make me money, it will make me money like that. I don't need a lot of assets. Why should I trade why
Mm-hmm.
should I trade the whole market? When you have multiple assets, it's just for you to choose. Hmm? We have
Mm-hmm.
we have plenty of
Yeah.
these.
Yeah.
It's for you to choose. So at this point, seems like only gold is the one which yeah. This one has
Yeah.
some
Yeah.
movements, but the spread is just way too much. As it now,
Mm-hmm.
spread is just way too much. In fact, let me just do this because I know anything below this is something else. Okay, this. Let's just check first. This, no, this, no, this, no, this, no, this. Ish. This is now something else. The consolidation is just way too much. Close this, close this,
Mm-hmm.
close this, close that. Okay. This is now something else. Yeah, this is worse.
Mm-hmm.
Can't even see the market. You see, some of these markets are just useless to us, retail traders.
Yeah.
For big
Yeah.
companies,
Yeah.
they would make sense, but as a retail trader, they're useless. Like this,
Yeah.
as at this time, this is something else. So now you see. It's going to show you the difference between the ask price and the bid price. So the gap in between these two is that's way too much. The gap in between this one and this
Mm.
one is actually good. You see, have you seen the gap
Okay.
between this is
Yeah,
4,130, 4,130. This is very good. You see,
yeah. Just a
50,
few pips in between.
yes, exactly. This is what we need to look at.
Mm.
And this one is
And then these percentages, what are they for?
this is a daily this is a daily change.
Okay.
Yeah, so percentages, the daily change. Yeah, you need to look into that. Need to look into
Okay.
that.
All
Never
right.
paid much attention to that. I've just been seeing it. So I don't really pay much attention.
Okay. Okay.
Oh, this is okay. This is this one. Ish. This is something else. Looks like
Mm.
range. This looks like range break. Yeah, something like this. No, no movement, no nothing. We don't like stagnant markets, spikes and stuff.
No.
No. This no. Okay, so starting from here, just sort out these. Yeah, this one is something else. Bitcoin. What's happening in Bitcoin? Bitcoin also has a nice spread. This is
Okay.
good. Yeah, this is good. It's just within the same candlestick, which is okay.
All right.
So we'll keep Bitcoin. And
All
let me
right.
see this one. So BTC, will put it here.
Mm.
BTC. Yeah, something else. USD. Spread is good. Yeah. So I only have 10 minutes left, huh?
Think so.
Yeah, I'll send another link, I'm sure. Okay,
All right.
this is something else. Dash, nope. I trade this. We're here to make money. We're not here to start playing games, looking at charts like this. No. Something that, nah, 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 nah. Nah,
Um,
nah. We have assets which are moving okay. This spread is it's way too much. Even this one, I can tell the spread is something else. Litecoin, I can see Litecoin doing something. Hmm. Ha.
mm.
This one also, the gap is just way too much.
Yeah.
Ish. It's not even a good
Ah.
market structure. Yeah. No. Okay. This one seems to be okay as well.
Okay.
Yeah. This is good. The spread is okay. So when it comes to trading these currencies on the pro account, these
Mm-hmm.
are these are the only assets. These are the only assets which I can trade. At least this one I like the movement. You see, small retracements and long trends like that. You see,
Mm-hmm.
it can
Mm-hmm.
tell.
Mm-hmm.
You see how it moves. 30 minutes. You see, impulse move.
Yeah.
Then
Yeah. Yeah.
it seems to be okay. If I look at it like that, it seems to be okay. Even the spread seems to be all right.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. So let me just get rid of this and the rest of everything. Yeah. What's happening here? Still dancing around the same place. Okay, so this one, nope. Nah, this one is even worse. Yo, it's worse.
Mm.
Something else. This one exceptional, but no, we're looking for like nah, 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 nah. Alibaba. So now these are stocks. Out from
Okay.
the yeah,
Okay.
these are stocks because it's mixed. There's Amazon, these are companies, huh? These are now stocks now.
Mm.
The stock market. If you're going to be
So
following the stock
Apple.
market, yes, Apple,
Mm. Mm.
Bank America, Citigroup. Bank America, they don't want people to make money, these guys. Seeing the spread. Got the structure. This is for swing traders. Starting from April, it has been going all the way up. So if you hold a trade from April, if you're a swing trader, you hold from here, going all the way up there.
Mm.
Let me see how much that is. Let's say you get one lot, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, yo, where is that? Refresh. Let's see. Thing I don't like that. Since the lot is too small, let me say 100 lots. Yeah, nothing's happening. Whatever the case, anyways, let's move.
Yeah.
And this one, the spread is too much. You can't eat from
Yeah.
1 minute, 1 hour. Coca-Cola, hey, Coca-Cola is also too much. Can't even see it. Yeah, you can only
Mm.
see it in the 4 hours chart.
The 4 hour.
Yeah, 4 hours. See, 4 hours, 4 hours for you just to see. So if you take a buy from this point, the position is going to open from the top here. You buy from here, but the position is going to be on top here. So meaning all that is going to be spread. Hmm?
Mm.
Disney, also Disney is something else. See, some of these people these are for big corporate companies. EA,
Mm.
eBay,
Mm.
these are for big corporate companies. It's not for us, retail traders. Facebook is also doing fine. Goldman Sachs, Goldman Sachs, yeah.
Mm.
IBM, this is a computer company. Yeah. So starting from this one, let me just delete all these. We don't need them.
Mm. The
Yeah.
companies. Yeah. Yeah.
Intel, ish, JP Morgan. You know JP Morgan, huh?
Mm.
MasterCard. Yeah. MasterCard seems not to be moving. McDonald's, Microsoft, Nvidia, Netflix. How much time do you need for? We're remaining for 4 minutes. Oracle is a software company. PayPal,
Mm.
we know PayPal, finance company,
Yeah.
Peps.
People. Yeah.
We drink Peps. I don't drink Peps. Qualcomm, this is a cheap company. They make CPUs and everything else. Starbucks, you know
Okay.
Starbucks. They do
Yeah. Yeah.
their coffee and stuff, tea, whatever. Tesla, we all know Tesla. Tesla, it's
Mm.
rocketing. Tesla's been moving nicely. So if you hold on a stock for Tesla, at least, this one looks
Hey.
Tesla. Visa, yeah, all these, Walmart, American FX. The gap is too much.
Mm.
Boeing, you know Boeing, huh?
Yeah. 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 For the planes.
Yeah.
Mm.
Yeah. So
No, there was no.
we see Delta Air. Eh,
Mm.
nothing for us there. Nothing for us here. The banks, nothing for us. You see the spread.
Ah. 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 Mm.
If you buy, you're not going to buy from me. The buy is going to open for me. That's how big a spread is.
Mm.
This one is moving. I don't know. This is like range break. It looks nice on the other time frames.
The higher time frames. Yeah.
Yeah. It looks okay on the higher time frames. But when you come back to the lower time frame, it just looks like something else. That's the same as boom and crash.
Yeah.
You see. So this one, but the spread is too much for this one. You see, 30 minutes.
Mm, mm,
Yeah, 30 minutes. Yeah. So I can only see now three markets, which are making sense. This one is 2 minutes. This one is just dealing with 2 minutes and it's stagnant. I see people trade there's a German 40. See people trading German 40 also. I'll check it out.
okay.
Euro, German, nah. Me, I don't want to waste my time. So ish. No, something else here. 30 minutes and up. Yeah,
Hmm.
but this one. Nope. Nope. So for me, what I'll do is I'll keep an eye on gold on this one.
Go. Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Keep an eye on gold and also keep an eye on Bitcoin. Uh,
Bitcoin, yes.
this is not okay. Then there's also this other one. This one is not okay. This one is not okay. And this one is not okay. Let me see this one. Oh, still haven't been kicked out. Still being around on the same spot. Yeah,
Mm,
okay. So this is very bad. This one is bad. See, I can't even see where it is.
mm.
This is the one which will come to me. Can't even see where it is. Where is it? It's just on top
This
right
is
there.
silver.
Yeah, silver is something else. Spread on silver is
Yeah.
way too
Mm,
much right now. So silver
yeah.
won't play with it. Which one is this? This one I don't want to play with it. But yeah, okay. Maybe